Busy day in the shop boxing up veneers. Here's a beautiful coloration on this. This is tiger wood, orange brown mixed with black streaks, just like the actual tiger. There's a fine example of bacote, strong coloration between this, chocolate brown with dark streaks. There's a nice sheet of zebrano or zebra wood, nice straight grain with that. Followed by a 4-sheet bundle of zercote, wild grain pattern with that. Over here we have a very nice example of pommel eucalyptus or eucalyptus burl, gorgeous pattern with that. Nice flat sheets. And here's a walnut burl. You can find this walnut burl specifically on Amazon under seller Volpe Woodworks. Again, nice overall full cluster pattern with that. Some of the finest walnut burl I've ever had to offer. Dead flat sheets, pleasure to work with. If you'd like some assistance in selecting a veneer for a project, please reach out to me by email at tom@VolpeWoodworks.com, my eBay store ThinWoodandOldTools, my Etsy shop Volpe Woodworks, my website VolpeWoodworks.com, and our seller Volpe Woodworks. If you like the content in the video, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to my store. There's a subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. Thank you very much.